Ever feel overwhelmed by all the expensive, confusing tools out there when you're just starting your online business? Imagine if you could build your business with only 2 easy-to-use tools. No complicated setups or huge price tags. Today, I'm going to show you how to do that using tools built on WordPress. When I first started, sure, I experimented with all the big hyped up tools, Clickfunnels, System.io, GoHighLevel, GoHighLevel. They worked, but I found them to be very overwhelming with options. And as your business grows, it gets more expensive. And if you're a beginner, you're likely to get stuck in the weeds, working on things that don't grow your business. That's when I discovered 2 simple tools that transformed my business and allowed me to keep everything simple without duct taping softwares together or high monthly costs. First up is FunnelKit. Now, FunnelKit is a WordPress-based solution that combines funnel building with a built-in CRM for email automations. In simple terms, it helps you create a clear customer journey for your visitors in one spot. From the moment they land on your page, to when they join your email list, to when they become customers. What I love about FunnelKit, and as you can see here on the screen, how user-friendly and clean the interface is. And you don't need to be a tech expert to set the effective funnels and lead nurture sequences up. Here is a quick overview of the dashboard. Here you can see your orders, your leads, everything in one snapshot, okay? We have our funnels all in one place as well. We can build unlimited funnels. You can see conversions at a very high level, meaning the leads that are coming in or the sales that are being made and the revenue for each funnel. Whether you're running a webinar funnel, a challenge funnel, whatever it is, all of your information is there. We have some pretty deep analytics. Where are people coming from? What funnel are they buying from? What upsells are they taking? What order bumps? What is the average order value? We have some deep insights into how our business is operating. Okay, we're gonna jump into the automations piece here. Just again, very quick overview. This is the exact system and setup that I use. Here's the automation. For example, if we want a lead nurture sequence, we can come in here and build one super quick. We can write our emails, we can delay it, we can send out emails over the next 30 days on a drip of 1-day email per day. We can do anything we want here, okay? Unlimited automations, unlimited contacts. There's no price increase as you get more contacts in, like an active campaign or a MailChimp or Aweber. Next up is Thrive Suite. So Thrive Suite is also built on WordPress and brings together 2 key features. The first one is Thrive Architect. This is the intuitive page builder that makes it incredibly simple to create attractive, professional, easy to navigate web pages without any code. The second is Thrive Apprentice. Now, this is your go-to course builder, allowing you to easily build and manage your online course so that you can share your expertise and grow your audience. Let's jump into a very quick demo here of Thrive Architect and Thrive Apprentice. As you can see here on the screen, this is the page builder, Thrive Architect. This is just a base template. For example, if you're a yoga studio, you can come in here, install this template in a matter of minutes. You can come in here and edit. We have all of the page elements here. You simply drag them and drop them out onto the page. Very simple. We're not going to go into detail here. Let's jump into Thrive Apprentice. Now, once again, everything here is in one spot, okay? Your funnels, your automations, your CRM, your courses. This is super intuitive as well. Come in here. If we want to create some content for our course, I just put in some tests here. This is module 1, lesson 2. We can come in here and add assessments. We can put quizzes on specific lessons. The cool thing here is course completion. Once they're done, it can automatically send them a certificate of completion. These are the 2 tools that I would highly recommend any person starting out. It allows you to build a rock solid foundation. Both tools are designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring that as your business grows, your online presence and revenue can grow with it without a steep learning curve or overwhelming complexity. So why these 2 together? FunnelKit and Thrive Suite gives you everything you need to build a rock-solid foundation and scale past 6 and who knows, maybe even 7 figures, all on WordPress and without breaking the bank. Now, if you want a deeper dive into how to build a simple system to grow your online business, you're gonna wanna check these out here. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these tools, or is there another solution that's worked for you or hasn't worked for you? Leave a comment below and let's chat.